Look guys, we are at Ta Party as fuck prog. Cars race. Let's go to track days. Hoover Gang Garage track day coming to you soon. MX5 Restorer featuring Rizzler.
He's invisible right now.
Film an edit for the fucking Mazda.
Which one? This one?
This one.
I have to get out of the car, and I said not to.
No, inside car, in-car footage.
Okay. Okay. We have found the bevel. I still don't have back seats. Here we have the most amazing alignment and some Fortnite.
Bro, people call me a non-grinder. I'm fucking out here playing Fortnite on a fucking in an IS200. This guy's fucked.
7 kills in a row.
Fortnite battle pass. I just shit out my ass. Booted up my PC. Cause I need to get that Fortnite battle pass. I like Fortnite. Did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite. It's nighttime. I mean it's 5 o'clock. That's basically nighttime. Now remember Cartoon Network Adventure Time.
Yeah, I'm wrong, never I am artist. Let's close that coffin. A stroke fluid like these waters. Drown with those problems.
Niggas envy us. Niggas got the stiffy us.
Feel just like a rock star.
That boy cars. Bread van. Lon. One big burger. Hungary I am. We're gonna get arrested now.
I didn't call you Baldy.
We're on private property. This is the last video of Hoover Gang Garage. Unfortunately, we're gonna go jail.
Mister.
Yeah, all of us, we're gonna gang garage in the jail because we're trying to fill up petrol. The woman said no, CCTV exists.
Holy shit! Did you just come in your sister?
So we go in jail, yeah?
Yeah.
Together.
That's it. I'm done, bro.
Last video ever.
Fortnite battle.